Oh, look at her, just ready for a good old cold start, eh? Ooh, looking nice. Ooh, perfect way to brush off your windows, eh, guys? Igloo. This thing literally looks like an igloo right now. Oh, look at that struggle. Another one of the best parts. Holy crap, what is going on with my camera? That was just blurry as hell. It's kind of why I don't park on the main street here. Especially so my phone doesn't get run over if I'm recording this beauty getting a cold start, you know, eh? Woo, looking good though. Man, I really thought winter was over here, but I guess we got hit with a nice old little snowstorm here, eh guys? But yeah guys, when you guys are doing cold start videos or anything like that whatsoever, be mindful where you guys put your camera. Here, I'll show you guys what it's like driving past somebody in winter. Oh, it's not even that bad. It's more the semis, I'd say. Those are the worst to drive past.